Hello and welcome back. Today, Chic Spaces is at United Avenues with our latest handed over project. This house is a perfect example of elegance. When the client came over, they had a very simple requirement: minimalism, subtlety and functionality, and that is exactly what has been delivered. From storage area to the study area to the ceilings, everything has been well thought of and executed. My favorite part of this house is the altar. What is yours? Do let us know in the comments below about your favorite chic space. Thank you.